3 linear fills for the price of 1. 6. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And lastly, 8. All 3 of these figures use the first same 6 notes, and it goes left, accent, probably a rim shot, right, right, left, left, kick. Left, right, right, left, left, kick. And all the notes that aren't an accent, I play them with a rebound, so a doubles kind of sticking. Just helps me get a bit more speed. Take your time with it. There are 2 different ways you can approach this sticking of 6. I'd first of all practice it as if it's 6-tuplets, so triplet, because that downbeat is going to fall with that first left every time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just helps you loop it, helps you practice it, especially with your metronome. But if you turn them into 16th notes, what you'll get if you play 2 in a row and then a little accent at the end is 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4. So we'll end on beat 4, which gives us plenty of time to fill around the kit or just leave some space. So beat 4, 3, 4, that kind of thing, something like that. So that is the basis for everything else we're about to expand on. So let's move on to 7s. When you're playing groupings of odd numbers like this, especially with 7, it's going to feel a bit weird, but it is quite literally the same sticking as 6, left, right, right, left, left, kick, and we're just going to chuck an accented right at the end of it. And again, there are 2 uses for this. So initially when you're practicing this, you might want to approach it more, again, that the accent on the left is your downbeat, so you can just get a feel for it. But if you were to play it with a click, you'll probably be getting septuplets, which if you don't know what those are or you don't mean to use those, then it could get a bit confusing. Basically, 7 notes squeezed into the space of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to university, go to university, go to university, go to university. That kind of vibe. If you want that, then good stuff. But if you want to apply it within 16th notes, make it make a bit more sense, then you're going to get, again, a group of 2. So 7, 7, and then another accent on that left at the end. Counting is going to be vital in this bit. So left, right, right, left, left, kick, right. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and. What you'll get at the end of this phrase is you will land with that accent at the very end on the and of 4. So bear that in mind when you're thinking about how much space you've got. Count it out loud, use a metronome. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and. Sounds really good. That kind of thing. Sounds really cool. We love displacing stuff. By the way, if you want free sheet music for everything that's being played in this video and also some variations and different placements for said figures we're talking about, then feel free to check out the free ebook, which is in the link below. Also, if you like this video, then like this video. Helps me a lot. Especially helps if you subscribe. Help a girl out. Mwah. Okay, last up, group of 8. This is going to feel a lot more well-rounded and maybe a little bit more comfortable to play because as drummers we like groups of 8. So we're going to end up with an accent on the downbeat, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3. You can make it either 2 beats long or you can play it as 30-second notes so it lasts only 1 beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. but I like to stick it as 16th notes. But what, pray tell, is the sticking? Again, our first 6, left, right, right, left, left, kick, kick, right. So we've got a double kick and then a right accent. To get the speed for this double kick, I personally use heel toe technique, but you can use whatever technique you like. If you're struggling with the speed of it, especially when we get up to then check out the video I've done talking about foot speed and technique up here. But finish watching this video first, I have more to say. Something that's really cool about this particular pattern of 8 is that if you start on beat 2, you'll be able to maintain 2 and 4, your backbeat, as you play it. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and a 3, and a 3, and a 1, and a 3, and a 3, and a 3, and up. Like, that's so cool. That's so cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. So there you have it. There's your 3 groupings. But now, what can you do with that? First of all, I would practice all of these individually and get really comfortable with how they feel, but the magic happens when you start to combine them. One that might sound cool is 8, 8, 6, 7. That is going to finish on the E of 4. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E. Yes. At the end of that bar, you're going to have more space than you think. Practice this mega slow with a metronome because you want to get a feel for that gap. It's going to be really easy to mess that up. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E. Ooh, that sounds so good. And one more final thing you can do with this. Remember our 6s and honestly 7s as well, but we'll keep it simple. 6s we can turn into 6-tuplets, so we can start mixing up subdivisions. So exciting. So if you played a 6 as a 6-tuplet, do 2 of those. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. And then we played an 8, just as 16th notes. That can sound pretty cool. If we just play it on the snare, you'll get this. So triplet, 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 triplet. Triplet, 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 triplet. That's your rhythm. Stuff like that. You can also play with your septuplets. I'm not going to do that right now. I have not the brain power. But there you have it. 3 linear fills for the price of 1 and a great way to start melting your noggin. And if you want the free ebook with all of this in it plus much more, then the link is down below. And if you like this video, help a girl out. Like the video and subscribe if you haven't already, because there will be much more awesome content coming your way. Have a great day. Big love. Mwah.